Good day, this is the Professor, Professor CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, October 19th, 2022. It is 12:28 and 44 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer. So let's hop to it here. There is a new drug target for triple-negative breast cancer. Date October 17th, 2022. Source: Louisiana State University Health Sciences Center. The research reports a combination of a novel small inhibitory molecule and an FDA-approved chemotherapy drug suppresses the growth of triple-negative breast cancer cells synergistically. After screening National Cancer Institute's Diversity Santa Fe, a collection of compounds selected for structural diversity, a potential anti-tumor efficacy, the research team selected the molecule NSC 33353 as a potential anti-tumor compound against triple-negative breast cancer. They tested it on human triple-negative breast cancer cells and found that it significantly suppressed proliferation, migration, and invasion. The researchers then turned their attention to using the molecule in combination. Triple-negative breast cancer cells develop resistance to doxorubicin, one of the most effective chemotherapeutic drugs against these tumors. The researchers show that the combination of NSC 3353 and doxorubicin suppresses the growth of triple-negative breast cancer cells synergistically, suggesting that NSC 3353 enhances triple-negative breast cancer sensitivity to doxorubicin. More common in younger women, triple-negative breast cancer accounts for 15 to 20% of breast cancers. It is called triple-negative because these tumors lack estrogen and progesterone receptors and the human epidermal growth factor, receptor 2, ATR2. Because the cancer cells don't have these proteins, hormone therapy and drugs that target ATR2 are not helpful. The triple-negative breast cancer is aggressive and responds poorly to treatment, so therapy options are very limited. The discovery of new drugs will be of immense help for triple-negative breast cancer patients. The data indicates that the small molecule inhibitor NSC 3353 exhibits anti-tumor activity in triple-negative breast cancer cells and works in a synergistic fashion with a well-known chemotherapeutic agent. Good day, this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.